हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट लेसन प्लान दैट इज़ ऑफ कॉमर्स और टॉपिक रहेगा आपका मार्केटिंग। सो स्टार्टिंग में आपको जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन फिल करनी है एज वी डिस्कस अर्लियर कि आप इन्फॉर्मेशन में क्या क्या ऐड ऑन करोगे। सो दैन वी हैव फर्स्टली वी दैट इज़ journal aim. First aim is to enable the student to get general information about the commerce. Next, to develop knowledge and understanding of commerce. Next, to enable student to develop a perspective and the sensitive response towards commerce. Then we have a specific aim. Specific aim first is cognitive. Student will be able to define the term marketing. They will be able to list the function of marketing. Then we have affective, that is, they will be able to perceive the proper knowledge of marketing. Next, they will be able to recognize the function of marketing. Then we have a psychomotor. They will be able to place the term marketing and their functions. Next, they will be able to develop confidence in themselves. Then we have a teaching aid, and teaching aid you have to mention, that is chart. Then we have a previous knowledge. Student have a basic knowledge about the topic. Introductory question, serial number, people teacher activity and the student respond. First, from where do we buy mobile phones? Answer is we buy mobile phones from mobile shop. Next, tell the term we use for the amount to be paid for the mobile phones. We call it price for the mobile phones. Next, the process of planning, pricing and promoting of a product is called as. Student did not respond. Next, statement of problem. Today we will study about the marketing. Presentation. इसमें आपको डिफरेंट कॉलम्स बनाने हैं. सीरियल नंबर, टीचिंग पॉइंट, पीपल टीचर एक्टिविटी, स्टूडेंट रिस्पॉन्ड, टीचिंग मैथड इन द ब्लैक बोर्ड. First, developing question. The price and the promoting of a product is called as. The price and the promoting of product is known as marketing. And the method is question answer method. Next, do you know the definition of marketing? Student not responded. Next, definition of marketing. Business activity designed to plan, price and promote and distribute want satisfying product as marketing. Student are listening. Next is developing questions. What is the characteristics of marketing? Do you know the function of marketing? It's focus on the need of buyer. And student not respond. And method is question answer method. Then we have function of marketing. Marketing function first is marketing research. It is a process of investigating the aspect of the marketing. Next, product planning. It is a process of generating ideas. Next, pricing. It is a decision of pricing a product. Next, promotion. It is an advertisement of a product. Selling. It is a process of transforming the ownership of product. Then we have a comprehensive question. First, give any two characteristics of marketing. Next, what are the function of marketing? And after that, we have explained any three function of marketing. Then we have a blackboard. Blackboard पे आपको चार्ट पेपर को पेस्ट करना है एज दैट इज शोन ऑन द स्क्रीन कि आप एक चार्ट पेपर को कट करोगे, उसमें फंक्शन शो करोगे किसके मार्केटिंग के. Then we have inspection work. The teacher is inspection in the class and the student are noted down. Recapitulatory question. What is marketing? What is pricing? And what are the function of marketing? Homework. Define marketing and its function. ये आपका जो मार्केटिंग का लेसन प्लान है वो कंप्लीट लेसन प्लान आपको डिस्कस किया गया है. आप चाहे इसको डिट्टो कॉपी पेस्ट करके अपने लेसन प्लान में ऐड कर सकते हैं. और अगर आप और नई इन्फॉर्मेशन को ऐड करना चाहते हैं, यू आर मोस्ट इनवाइटेड. आप जो चाहे वो अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन को ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड प्लीज़ स्टे कनेक्टेड विद अस.